Hi there, I am Arashane Vergara and a student of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. And today we will do the activity number one or laboratory exercise number one entitled with the title Familiarization of Cisco Packet Tracer. So for the procedure, we will open the Cisco Tracer program and choose simulation mode. So this is our one moment. Let me share my screen. So as we can see, this is the Cisco Packet Tracer. And next, then we will choose simulation mode. So this is the real time and this is the simulation. So we have chosen the simulation. Next, so choose the following devices and drag it to the platform. And you can select any type or model. So we have here personal computer, laptops, switch, router, hub, printer, optical fiber, crossover cables, and IP phones. So using the Microsoft Word, copy paste the network devices above and identify if it is end devices, intermediary device, or media. So I have copied this in another document. So as you can see, this is the comparison. So later on, we will put or identify if it's end device, intermediary device, or media. So first is personal computer. So from here, so as you can see, I can see the icon of a computer. So it is on the end device. So personal computer is on end device. Next is laptops. Laptop. So it is also on end device. Next is the switch. Let's try on the network devices or the intermediary. So as you can see, here is the switch. Yes. So it's on intermediary device. Next is router. Router. So as you can see, here is the router under intermediary devices. Next. So next is hub, I think. Hub. Oh. So it is also intermediary device. Next is printer. Printer. So as you can see, here is the printer under end devices. Next is optical fiber. Optical fiber. So there's no optical fiber here for this one. Right, so one. So there is no optical fiber under network devices or intermediary and end devices. So it is a media. Next is crossover cable. Crossover. Let's try on the network devices. So there is no network devices under router switches. None. Hubs. None. None. So let's now move to end device. So for end device and intermediary, no, there is no cross cable. So it is a crossover cable. Lastly, the IP phones. I think it is on the end device. IP phone. There. So it is end device. So now we have done with the step 2 procedure. So what we're gonna do next is to answer the questions. So what are the available router models and the simulation software aside from the generic router? So let's see. And devices, network device. So we have here routers. So we have for router 4331 ISR. 4331. Router 4331. We have router ISR 4331. Next, uh, I ISR 4321. Router ISR 4321. And last one, so 1941. So router 3, 1941. Router 1941. Router 19. So that's it. We have 3 router. Next, based on the media devices below, identify the media used in a Cisco packet trace. So this first is this one, like a ton lightning. So So this is so in this one, in this icon, it says automatically choose connection type. So I think this is a general icon. Automatically choose connection. Next, second one is console. Next is this, which is copper straight through. Copper straight through. Next is this, the broken line, broken diagonal line, which is the copper crossover. Copper crossover. Lastly, the orange one. So you have two here, the single mode fiber and the multi-mode fiber. So it is a fiber, but so we can choose single mode fiber. So let's just call this mode fiber. Now we're done with number 2. So what are the differences? What are the differences between the end devices, intermediary devices, and media? So end devices are devices which interconnects, connects with IP address, such as computers, laptops, and printers. Next is the intermediary device. So are devices that provide connectivity to the network. And manage data flow. And lastly, the media. So it is refers to the medium of data transmission. So it can be cable or wireless. So the last one is, what can you conclude from this activity? So from this activity, I have learned to identify and classify devices on and on whether it is end devices, intermediary devices, and media. Using so using Cisco Pocket Tracer environment is overwhelming from the start due to a lot of components. But if I have, but since I have learned to find the components, so the activity is done so easily. So that's it. That's the end of our video. So let's proceed to the next one. Thank you and have a great day ahead.